Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. My name is Akshay and today we will be learning the chords of Ed Sheeran's new song with Arijit Singh. Technically Arijit Singh has a very small part in it, but still as Indians we love this song because it has that Punjabi vibe in it. The chorus of the song has those Punjabi lyrics and everybody loves it. So today we will be learning the chords and the strumming pattern that we are going to use in this particular song. So if you really want to understand the whole thing, please try to watch the playthrough again and again. There are two variations that we'll be using. So make sure you watch the whole video and try to play along. The original scale of this song is C sharp major, or we can also say D flat major. So we have to use the capo on the first fret if we really want to play it in the original scale or with the original song. So first chord you need to know is C major. I'm telling you first the basic versions of the chords that you can use in this song. So basically there are four primary chords that we will be using. First is C major chord. Next is D minor chord. Next is A minor chord. And next is F major chord, which can be played like this, or maybe in a bar if you're comfortable with it. Okay, you can either use this F major 7 as well if you want to. Sometimes it will fit, it will sound good, sometimes it won't. So it depends on your listening as well, that if it fits to your singing with the song, then go ahead with it. Okay, but you should know the options. Now if we see the Ed playing this song live also, as much as I could decipher his chords properly, he's using different voicing, different variations. Like for example, for C major, he is also adding this little finger here, which is C only, but it's a different variation of C. We added the G, the high G in it. So the first chord goes, okay. So you need to add this little finger in the C major. So this still is C only. Then we have the second chord, which is normally D minor, but we are playing the D sus2 this version, where you have to take your C major shape two steps ahead, leave the middle finger and add your little finger on the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5th fret, little first string. So this is how it will sound. So this is some kind of variation of D sus2. Okay, so first chord, second chord. Now the next chord will be A minus 7. This is the sound that we are looking for. And the final version is F sus4, where we just add the ring finger in the 4th string, 3rd fret. So this is F sus4. So you can either use the normal basic versions, or either you can use this version. Okay, now let's talk about the strumming pattern. So for strumming, for your right hand, what you have to do, it's a broken kind of pattern. So we are doing, so I'm doing down, down, up, chuck. Again, down, down, up, chuck. Listen to the flow, how I'm saying it, and then repeat it again. Down, down, up, chuck. 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 In the normal chords as well. Down, down, up, chuck. Down, down, up, chuck. Down, down, up, chuck. Down, down, up, chuck. Sorry, I made a mistake. It should be F major. Down, down, up, chuck. Again. Down, down, up, chuck. Down, down, up, chuck. Down, down, up, chuck. Down, down, up, chuck. So if we go in the chorus, like body running, pushing on me. The second version. Okay, so these are the two things that you have to take care of. I am hoping that I might be able to help you with this song. So I made this video. Please let us know if you like the video. Please leave a comment if you have any suggestions for us, and I am hopeful that you will be able to play this song properly. Please take care and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share the video. We will meet soon.